Hello everyone, look at this video. I am seeing this mermaid right in front of my eyes and I cannot believe it. Esta sirena la estoy viendo enfrente de mis narices y no lo puedo creer, chicos. Ahorita se las voy a enseñar dónde está. Okay, that's the TikTok from my friend Luna, Lunita del Alma, Matocallita, saludos. I just took the video from her because she recorded this from Liiliitthh. And I didn't used to see this girl over here, Leyla. Here she is. Here's Leyla, and I'm seeing her face. She is so beautiful. She is color purple. Esta es Leyla, chicos. ¿Quieren que se las muestre dónde está? Aquí viene lo bonito. Ay, Dios bendito. ¿Ya están listos? I cannot believe it, guys. Estoy en shock. No sabía que iba a poder lograr verla así de clarito. Bueno, yo la estoy viendo bien clarito, chicos. Cuando subió esta Pivot, también subió este video. Y sí, aquí está. Bien clarita la canija. Mírenla. Mírenla. That is her face right there. Chicos, that's Leyla's face right there. Esa es la carita de Leyla, chicos. ¿Lo pueden creer? Está bien bonita. Miren. Miren, 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 miren cómo se mueve. Tiene movimiento. Ella se está moviendo. She's moving. Look at this, guys. I cannot believe I'm able to see this. Oh my God. That is her face right there, guys. And this is her whole tail. And the tail is moving. Look at this. Look at all these guys. Oh my God. Miren. Su colita se está moviendo. Miren, miren, miren. Oh, I cannot believe I'm seeing this in front of me. On my eyes. I know it's only on camera, but even just to see it, it's unbelievable. Just to see it. Let me show it to you one more time. Si no la miraron, ahí les voy una vez más. Mírenla. Leyla va a estar aquí. Well, this is where she is. Look. Aquí está, detrásito de esta cosa, de esta roca. Pero luego ella está por dentro. Aquí está su cola. Miren, acá está su cola. Ay, Dios, perdón. Sorry, guys. Ay, sorry. Okay, this way. Yeah. No quería hacerla. I don't want to open it that much. But here it is. Miren, chicos, aquí va. Mírenla. Aquí está. Carita. Su carita. Aquí está su barbita. Sus ojitos. Esta es toda su cola. Miren qué grande. Miren, 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 miren. Y aquí está. She's just like inside that cave right there. Allí está dentro de esa cave. Se mira bien clarita. Ahora que ya les estoy diciendo dónde es que está Leyla. Ahí va de nuevo el video. Here goes the video again so you guys can see that it is unbelievable the way she moves. And the way she's looking at us with that innocent, pretty, beautiful face. I cannot believe it, guys. I'm over 3 minutes already. This is the last time. The last time I'm showing you, and then I put in pictures. The screenshots with, oh, look at that. This is no tail of a fish, normal fish. Look at that. Look at all these guys. This is just, it's unbelievable the way she moves. All right, guys, that was it. I wanted to show you this one again because this, now I'm seeing it. Like, I'm seeing her face and I'm seeing how she's moving. She's just looking at Liiliitth right there. Oh, my God. All right, guys, bye. See, nos vemos. Bye.